Hello everyone! Recently, I got a lot of these pearls from the factory. So for the following videos, I will use these pearls together with some of this PVC board to make some decoration. Okay, now let's go. First of all, we need to cut the balls to the size we want. Look, I cut off a small piece. This is PVC hardboard. If you have some machine to cut it off, that will be better. But if not, it's okay. We can cut it off also. Then let's measure and decide the place to make a hole for our pole. Like this. Okay, look. Completed with one board. So the following board, for example, I cut another board. I will step them together and drill from this board to make sure the place for the hole are the same. So we got the board ready like this. Following, we can paint the board to the gold color so that we can match the pole. But I don't like the painting work, so I will use this wallpaper to adhere on the board to make it gold. Look, if there are some air spots here, just use a ruler to press them together, and at the edge of the air spot, use this one to make a small hole so we can press the air out. Okay, I make several of the ball like this and adhere one ball with gold wallpaper. The reason of not place all the ball with gold wallpaper because the revenue from YouTube not enough to buy the wallpaper and adhere all the ball. So I need your support to sum up, like, share, and comment on the video. Talking about the gold wallpaper adhere on the ball, look, there's a lot of air spot here. So if you try to use this idea, you need to consider if you can adhere on the ball very smoothly. It's very difficult. This is my first time to adhere them together. So look, this is the come out. But there's another solution. You can use the group instead of tear of the paper. Just direct place them with the group, so the come out will be perfect. Maybe for the following video, I will try to use the group to show you the effect. Okay, anyway, let's set up the stand. Before set up the stand, let's check the accessory we want. This is slide, and this screw, pole, and screw also. Actually, I don't know how to name them correctly. If someone knows that, please comment to tell. Okay, the stand almost complete. Let's put on some flower foam because we want to decorate with some flowers. You can apply some glue here to make it firmly, but since I will use this stand, this ball many times, so I just direct put it on the ball will be okay. Okay, and then let's add another ball. This time I will use the KT ball, the soft one, because the budget not allow me to use much more hard PVC ball. Okay, the stand was complete. And then let's make another stand. The other stand we will make a little bit difference. We will add another layer on the stand. So I will use the soft pole by instead. Okay, this layer with the soft pole look like this. And then remember our golden ball. So the following procedure will be okay. Just install them, connect them together. I will show you the effect after I complete everything. Okay, look, completed with the stand. The following, we need to insert the flowers. Look, very simple. Use our flower head and soft stand, and then insert on the foam will be okay. Look, completed with the flower arrangement. Okay, then let's set up the table. Okay, look, completed with everything. Let's check the effect. Put more candle on the top. The come out will be much more pretty. But anyway, since I don't have so many candle on hand, and this layer, look, this layer I place with the gold wallpaper, so the come out will be much more warm than this layer without adhere the wallpaper. But in fact, we can make the come out much more pretty. But since the budget not enough, so also around the table, after we put on the some flower or candle around the table, maybe some charge prints, the full table setting will be much more pretty. Look, this layer will be much more pretty. Let's check the whole effect. Suddenly, I think this idea, if we make layer and layer of the balls, maybe we can use this idea to make a champagne bar, such as put the champagne every layer. Do you interested for this idea? If yes, please comment on the below the video. Okay, now let's check it from darker environment. Okay, let's check it from darker environment. Look, more candle, the come out will be much more pretty. And this layer with gold wallpaper, and this layer without the wallpaper. Decorate the table with some tablecloths or other candle decoration. The come out will be much more pretty. Look. It's hard to show you the real reality. It will be much more pretty than what you watch from the screen. Okay, back to the brighter environment. About the quality of the pole. In fact, the quality not bad, but not perfect. There are some flaw. If you like this idea and would like to buy the pole, you need to buy several more to stand by. Okay, this is today's tutorial. In fact, I have a lot of other ideas, so I really need your support by like, share, comment on my video. Okay, thank you for your watching. Bye.